Good morning, Year 11, and I hope that you're all well and looking forward to your half term break. We've had a fairly long old trip to it. I mean, it's 5 weeks as I speak to you. Now, it'll be more by the time you actually see this. But 5 weeks down, lots of you have done very well. Okay, and some of you struggled a little bit, as is probably to be expected. And so, as such, the headmaster has decided to offer everybody next Wednesday as a catch up day. So the idea is that you use it sensibly and you catch up. You clear the decks of everything that you need to get done. Okay, you make sure that everything's been sent to your teachers. Okay, take on board all the feedback that you're getting back, etc., and clear the decks completely for the half term holiday. So when we get back after half term, it's a fresh start for everyone. And congratulations for making it this far because it hasn't been easy. So well done, everyone. And just thought I'd spend what's left of the short time that I'm going to spend with you this time just having a word about the year 2020 because it actually wasn't as bad as we think. The ozone layer over Antarctica closed. Fantastic. Germany is changing 62 of what were former military bases into nature reserves. Wales came back to live all year round in the Atlantic. Hadn't been done for over 100 years. Fantastic. Great Britain reported that there was the smallest number of people had been infected by HIV since HIV was first discovered. China, the biggest air pollutant in the world, committed to achieving zero carbon emissions by the year 2060. A number of victims of terrorism decreased for the fifth year in a row. So, good news there. In 2020, people saved 48 animal species from extinction, and scientists also discovered 20 new ones, and they discovered some that they thought had died out, and so all good news coming from that angle. Kazakhstan became the 88th member of the UN to commit to abolish the death penalty. The elephant population in Kenya doubled. Saudi Arabia and Palestine banned child marriages. The demand for oil decreased for the first time, okay, in goodness knows how long, since they kept records of it. And so Denmark actually promised to stop mining oil anymore. And in Africa, polio has been completely eradicated because of vaccines. And then the biggest news, okay, the best news, the thing that's giving us hope for the future, is that the coronavirus vaccines